TWD wants to improve the environment and also our surrounding society. And what Reefy is doing is perfectly aligned with that, because they're trying to save coral reefs while doing also something that is also helpful for scar protection.
We're a team of engineers and ecologists, and our mission is really to change the environmental impact of marine infrastructure from a negative, which it is often now, to a positive one for nature and biodiversity specifically. As our first solution, we developed this modular artificial reef that is stable enough to protect coastlines in hurricane conditions, while also creating this complex habitat for marine life underwater. And we've successfully managed to install it in the Netherlands. And we're also developing the system for some of the most vulnerable communities and ecosystems around the planet that are often in more remote areas, such as Mexico, where we're talking about now. And in these areas, it can cost a lot of money to get a big heavy equipment on site. Often so much money that it would make a project impossible economically. TWD is helping us out now to see how we can install these blocks in Mexico, but we have a larger vision. So our vision is to restore marine biodiversity in every construction project that happens in and around the water. So in the future we're going to face more and more of these challenges, like how can we work in these environments, how can we operate in remote environments, and I think this is where TWD can really help us with their method engineering experience and help us actually bring these sustainable solutions to reality.
During this challenge, we're focusing on two main aspects techniques. So the first one is to ensure these blocks are installed with the sufficient accuracy, and that's because this is fundamental to make sure that the waves are breaking in the correct way, but also that the corals can grow in the proper way on these blocks. And the second one is indeed to come up with simple solutions that lower the costs and make these constructions actually feasible in local areas. Locations don't really have heavy equipment to complete their operations, so what we are doing is try to make their construction easier in line with our mission as TWD.